kinde dhialo duchieng kedo kod tuo mar hepatitis.
Dr. Simon Kibia zamane loso elo migao mar thieth ojiwo jo Kenya mondo chope ute thieth mar ng'eyo chal margi kotudore kod tuoni kendo kawo chanjo ahinya to mar nyithindo matindo.
Jochiw thieth bende ojiwo mondo chwal puonj ne jopiny ewi tuoni kaluwore gi ranyisi mage ok fwenyre mapiyo.
Hepatitis is disproportionately distributed within counties and population. It is estimated that 1.9 million people are infected with hepatitis B and C, with those having hepatitis B being the majority, about 1.56. 3 counties were identified to have a high prevalence of hepatitis B, above 10%, Turkana 16.8%, Baringo at 11.9%, and Migori 10%. Great to see everyone across the country knowing the hepatitis status and those affected accessing treatment or vaccination. We can't wait to see integration of hepatitis services in the public health facilities.
Naweza pata hepatitis B haraka ama kwa urahisi zaidi kushinda virusi vya ukimwi. 200 times more infectious. Hayana dalili kubwa ama ukali wa ugonjwa mwanzo wakati mtu anaambukizwa na hivi virusi. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri mtu akipimwa ajue hali yake. Wakati unajua hali yako, utaweza kukinga mwenzako.